And let me know what y'all think about the website too, the website plus marketing. Let me know what y'all think about those packages because we might have to add something to it or whatever. Let me know. Number 10 is last one, advertise locally using Facebook ads, Google ads to a target audience. Advertise in newspapers, community newsletters, or local radio stations. So be cautious with some of this, guys, because sometimes people want to take your money. I had somebody call me talking about, yeah, we saw your business and we want to give you like a year advertisement at the local high school. I'm like, no, thank you.
Them kids ain't got no notary. Them kids don't need no notary.
Right. I'm like, nah, I'm not interested in that. But, so I'm very cautious of how I spend my money. If I am going to run a Google ad, which I think is an excellent tip to market and get more business, you need to be very specific in how you're running that ad. If you need some help with that, you can reach out to Alexis. She's our Google person. She can help you to run ads effectively. You want to make sure you're running them the right time of day. Who is your target market? Okay. So we got you covered. Literally, when I say that, we have you covered. So I'm going to go through our 10 right quick. You guys can feel free to drop your questions in. And I just want to go over the books right quick because I don't talk about that enough. So, hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. Really quick. Number 1, create and optimize a Google business profile. Have your social media. Number 2. Number 3 is networking locally in the neighborhood. Number 4, make sure you have that website. We are currently offering that, so you can feel free to check it out, notaryeducatorsllc.com. Distribute flyers and business cards. Partner with some online directories. My favorite is signingorder.com or either the NNA. Find a notary. Number 7 is email marketing. Just a little update on what's going on in your business or a thank you. Offer specialty services and also let your clients know you offer specialty service. We just talked about that. Number 9, ask for reviews and referrals. That's so important. And number 10 is to advertise locally, but know how to spend your money correctly. Okay. And if you need some help with that, we can do it. So I'm going to show you how the books really quick, and then we'll hit the comments. Anything you want to talk about, let us know. So really quick, if you did not know, we have the Pricing Your Notary Services book. Let's talk about the money, okay? It's under the book collection at Notary Educators. And I go over all the different services that are offered in the notary space to teach you how to price. Because if you don't know how to price your services, you don't have a business. Now, I don't give you an exact dollar amount. That was one criticism that I received. Because I cannot. What I can charge in Georgia, people in California can make 3 times. You don't think they're going to be mad at me? If I tell them to charge $5, they can charge $25. So I give you, though, the reasoning behind the method, and then you can price your own services. And then for those of you who are thinking about specialty general notary work, we have the Specialty General Notary Don't Be Scared book, How to Navigate Hospitals, Nursing Homes, and it goes over power of attorneys and those complicated documents, okay? And last but not least, start your notary business in all 50 states, okay? This one is for Georgia, but they're for California, Alabama, Arizona. Every state has their own book, okay? So check out the book collection if you are a reader. I find a lot of people do like to read. They come in digital as well as paperback. So just see what suits your fancy there. And Angela, did you want to talk about anything? And then we'll get these comments.
I think we covered it all.
Okay. All right, let's get y'all comments. Let's see. Hey, Hyra, what's up? What's up? April says, good evening. I haven't been on in a while. Glad seeing you all live. April, we haven't been on in a while. We've been working in that mentorship group. Excuse me. We've been working in our mentor program. So we have not been on live as much as we like to. I did a few weeks back. I had a spurt. I was going live every day. That was pretty cool, but child, things are life be lifing. And I had a lot of different assignments too recently. I actually took an assignment from cloud signings. I'm gonna do a whole video on that. Maybe a whole live on that because they get a bad rap a lot, and I had a good experience. I mean, they have a lot of instructions, and I know why, because they have so many errors to come back. You cannot ship your documents until they see it. So they got a lot of requirements, but I took the signing mainly because I hear so much negativity about them, and I wanted to have my own experience. And they really are blowing up. I get so many alerts from cloud, so I might just not sleep on them anymore. I just might not. And I'm waiting to see how they pay. Angela has worked with them too. Did you have an experience, Angela?
I mean, I didn't have a bad experience with them. They, like you said, you have to wait until they approve the signing to put it in the FedEx. You scan it back immediately. But I have not had any bad experience with them. It wasn't a bad experience. The one time they offered me a certain pay, and I was like, "This is how much I'm going to pay." We went back and forth a couple of times, but hey, it wasn't a bad experience. This is what they're going to pay. So the times I have done it for, they agreed to my pay. So they paid, and I haven't had any bad experiences.
Okay, so I'm waiting to see how they pay. That's my next step. But and I see a comment in here. We're gonna talk about Jasmine's comment when we get to it. So let's go to the comments then. So Jasmine says, I'm enjoying the mentorship, all the trainings we have access to. Thank you, Jasmine. I really look forward to the weekly mentorship meetings. I hate I've missed the last two, but catch the replays. Thank you, Jasmine. And Jasmine's doing very well. I know sometimes she get a little frustrated, but she's doing very well. Donna says, I saw them earlier. It all looks great. I will definitely take advantage of this ASAP. Oh, thanks, Donna. Yeah, it'll be our pleasure to help you. Donna's doing things to life be life, and we know that. April says, can you buy those books in a bundle? You may be able to on Amazon, April. And then don't forget there are corresponding classes to each of the books too, almost in the mentorship program too, whenever you're ready for that. But I know a lot of people do like the books. That's why I wanted to make sure I highlight that. And then I don't talk about them enough because we was focusing on one thing. And I got to quit that. I got a one-track mind. If I'm working on this, I'm working on that. So I'm working to do better. So yeah, but you can probably bundle them at Amazon. They'll tell you something like, usually people will buy this book with this book. So check that out. Okay. They also are digital too, ebooks, Kindle. And you don't have to have a Kindle to get the ebook because the ebook is like $6. So you don't have to have, it might be $9, I think. I think it's $9 for the ebook, but you don't have to have a Kindle. You can just download the Kindle app. And then when you buy something, it'll show up there. Because sometimes people are like, I don't have a Kindle. You don't have to anymore. Texas Q says, where do I get that book or purchase Think books? That's good information. The books, if you're talking about these books, Texas Q, Amazon has them, but they're right at the website. I'm going to put Notary Educators here. Everything is at the website. LLC.com. It's under book collection. It's on the main page too. You'll see it. Okay. Everything is at notaryeducatorsllc.com. April says, okay, I didn't miss anything. Jasmine, she says, cloud signers be offering low as heck for what is needed. And what I would recommend, Jasmine, because this is my first one, and I did not take that job when they first offered it. I was like, just like you, I was like, I ain't doing that. And then they said, you got to provide the witness too. I'm like, no. So what happened is they first put it out. I'm just going to throw out some numbers. Let's say they first put it out. Y'all all know they kind of low. They pay, low. Let's just say it went out at $40. But the next time I saw it at the 40, I was like, Then they put it out again at, let's say it went out again at 50. And I was like, Then I saw that they still needed a witness. I said, well, I'll do it at that price, but I'm going to add a witness fee on top of it. And I told them I could do it. They were like, yeah. I was like, oh, they accepted. I never thought they would because they start out at like at $20, So I think if we start, really looking at the order and seeing don't just say no, always counter. And they have the right to say yes or no, just like you.